All right. That's better. All right, let's try this again, motherfuckers. I was in a much better mood. But people want to be dicks. I don't need likes on a unlisted video, guys. You can dislike it all you want. Get it out now. Yeah, how about that? How about that? Hey, Bart, I have an email that social networks are disconnected on Hootsuite. Do you see that shit? Ah. Are you disconnected on Hootsuite, Bart? Kalash? We'll get going in just a second. Try to give everybody a chance to get in here. All right. Sometimes you got to put the kids in timeout. You know what I'm saying, Delta, Chris? You know, sometimes you got to put the kids in timeout and go get some hot vibes, bro. We were all about the hot vibes. We're about to catch some today. Bang, son. If you want to dislike the video, this is the one to do it because it's unlisted. So fucking get it out. I want all dislikes. I don't want one like on this. I want all dislikes. Vest is right over there. I'm going to dislike the video. All right. Get it out of your system, boys and girls. Anyways, onwards and upwards. We got shit to do. So, I want to start with ETH. Because, like, Ethereum's like the new Bitcoin, right? If we go down to the 15-minute and zoom out, that looks like a Head and Shoulders. Damn near textbook. It's like a... Alright, so this was a Head and Shoulders. This bearish reversal pattern. Broke to the upside. In classical charting, that's a head and shoulder. There's a Head and Shoulders continuation pattern, and I guess that would be that. Whatever. That's the left shoulder. Head, right shoulder. Right? So we have to be aware of that. Right? Something like this. Something like... Technically, it'd be that. Something like that. And then... kind of the... We'd have to draw it this way because there's no way to invert that perfectly. It's supposed to be the lowest point. We'll call this the lowest point. You clone that, put it from the break, and that puts us all the way down at like 180. I don't think so. I don't think so. It's way too bullish. Because looks like it's breaking out again. It's trying to. If we go to the 4-hour, well, first let's start with the daily close yesterday. Getting ahead of myself, as usual. This daily close was awesome. It really was. It was awesome. It closed above horizontal resistance, the first horizontal resistance. Look at that fucking daily volume candle. Like, that's pretty damn good, right? It's the highest one since December of last year. Highest daily volume candle on Ethereum in 9 months. 10 months almost. That's really good. It's not like the highest volume candle we've ever gotten or anything like that, but it's still, it broke out on good volume. So where are we going? Let's take the volume off. We're just kind of ranging right now, okay? And I'd like to hold this little breakout zone right here. I'd love to hold this and still be able to make it up to this 235 to 240 zone at the daily 20 EMA / horizontal resistance. Like, it should come right up to, I'm saying 240. It's changed a little bit. Say 234-ish. We can call it 240 if you want. I think that's what we're going to be looking at. And then it's a really good setup right now. And this is why, like, a lot of times when you get really aggressive setups, falls like that, I'll go back to auto. Get really aggressive falls like this. If we can get this horizontal and it can bounce off this 234 area, I'll take off this green. And it's going to be kind of hard for you guys to see or whatever. And, I mean, look, you can't even see the head and shoulders because the higher time frame wins. Remember that. But if it can get denied at horizontal resistance around 234 and come back and make a higher low, then we have an ascending triangle. Straight up, like we have an ascending triangle. Off a breakout off volume. Or a bounce off volume. It's just a bounce right now. It's not quite a breakout yet. Yeah, so, and then after that, guys, it's smooth sailing. You could call it 250 at the bottom of this wick. And then to climb out of the hole's 280. It's still got a ways to go, I think. I don't think this is the bottom. I do not think it's the bottom. So let's go to the 4-hour. Ideally, you want to hold at least a 50% retrace of this. If it falls through the 50, the 618 is a good buy. But it's right at the 236 of the current move, which is support or resistance. And right now, it's resistance. We're right there. So you have a confluence of the 4-hour 50 and 4-hour 20 EMA right underneath the 382 at 202 and that round 200 number. If you get a chance to buy 195, I would mix it with some buys at 188 for a bounce, at least up to 202. I think it continues at least up to 211. We'll reevaluate then. I still think we're going higher though, guys. I do. If you want to play ping pong with fib levels, just draw it from the low to the high of the current move. You know the 0.5 should give you some support. If it doesn't, buy more at the 618. Sell it at the 382. Sell your original investment at the 382. I mean, that's the easiest thing you can do. That's an easy in and out, like quick scalp trade. That's like textbook. But if we close on the 4-hour above this 236 at 211, God, I got up to 225 overnight. Fuck me. I said yesterday I was going to 215, and it did. And then it consolidated another time, went to 225. Probably put in a 15-minute bear div. But yeah, 211-ish, guys. If you get a 4-hour close over 211, and we're there at 3 hours and 35 minutes, we're not even close. Then it's continuation. Have fun. I'd like, really. I mean, you want 2 technically, but in the next zone is going to be like fucking 234. Like, legit, it's going to be 234. So I think the path of easiest resistance is to the upside right now. You don't just get these corrections right here all the time. Like if you look over here, came up, kind of fell down, just did our little thing sideways, and then boom again. Well, it's just straight up. And then it's testing the 236 again. But candle closes are what are important. You had to expect that it was going to pull back, and I told you guys last night when I thought that the move was over for alts for the night. And we're trying to get some follow through right now. So If it closes on the 4 hour above 211, have at it. I think it's going to 234. Cool. Aight. Aight. Oh, I've got 5 notifications.
Oh, no, ignore the idiots, man. This is ridiculous. How do you do that? Oh, you're such an asshole.
Oh, dude, I ain't fucking around. Bang, son. All right. Bitcoin. Back above 65. No shit. You don't say. Was this a breakout retest? Looks like it was. Yes, it was. Right down to the 4 hour 50 moving average. It broke out, came back and retested. Your retest is a buy, especially after a high velocity breakout on a descending resistance line. If you get a high velocity breakout, means price really moves away from it and hasn't retested it yet. Buying the retest of that, especially when you have your 4 hour 50 moving average right there, is a fucking easy buy. It's an easy buy. I mean, that's hot buys right there. That was also the 618. Easiness. What are the shorts looking like? Oh, it's under favorites. Wow. 11,000 more shorts than long still. Awesome. That's what I like to hear. So you have this flattening 200 moving average, and it tells you that we're going to remain trendless, really, until a breakout. It's just sideways consolidation is all that means. It's above the 236 again, or the current move. I'm just saying. But it's got to close, guys. We're 3.5 hours away from candle close. Doesn't even matter. It could put in a lower high. This is good, though, because the only patterns that can come out of this right now, off a 4 hour, bull flag, falling wedge, ascending triangle, bullish pennant. It's really kind of textbook. Now, the problem here oh, never mind. That goes all the way back there. Never mind. Yeah, no, we're fucking solid, guys. Looks good. Where are we going next? You already know. Like, no shit, it was denied at the 382 and the 4 hour 50 moving average. Like, y'all don't say. The 0.5's at 67.41. We're still looking at 66.50-ish. $66.50 and 67.41. Okay? It's your next two zones. What does the cloud say? Ooh, it bounced right off. Okay, so 67.41 for sure is going to be, and obviously because it's the 0.5, you knew you drew it right because there's the Kijun, which is your dynamic 0.5 Fib retracement zone. Yeah, 67.41, and you could even see a wick up to 67.66. That's your 4 hour cloud edge. Is there a daily cloud edge up near there? Right above there is your daily Tenkin, 67.65. That's a very shortable zone, guys. Very shortable zone. And then right above that, at 6,800-ish, 67.70, I'm sorry, 68.08 is your daily 50. Nice little confluence within like $30, $40 right there for a shorting zone. I would be more likely to short the high 6700s than I would 6650 at this point based on price action. Okay? And is it necessarily a swing trade? Not with 11,000 shorts still in the market over top of more than longs. No. You can get a nice scalp off of it. It should be fucking easy profits. Easy profits. Just keep stacking easy profits is all I'm saying. Okay? Let's look at Litecoin. Could you, like, expand on that, please, sir? This daily 20 EMA is at 57.30-ish. Still think we're going to hit 59 right at the daily Tenkin. I think 59 is a guarantee. Nothing's changed. This looks good. Looks alright. What's the 4-hour cloud say? And then I'll take the cloud off and it'll be more clear. Oh, yeah. Okay, so 4-hour cloud edge is at $58 almost. Almost. So that would be your resistance zone, 58. It looks like it wants to head for it now. Yeah, 58, guys. Is next on Litecoin. And then what's after that? Don't need this. Don't need this. Don't need this anymore. $58.26 is your 0.5 of the current move. Yeah, it's just going to climb fib levels, to be honest with you. I mean, after that, I'd be lining up. The only thing that I can see here is this horizontal, where the daily 50 should be, like right around there, right above this. That's your 60 to 61. It's got some work cut out for it, though. This daily candle, even though we still have less than 8 hours until daily close, is looking solid. It's going to be a grind for Litecoin, though, because every dollar matters right now. Because it's fallen so low. Like in the way that every dollar matters for Litecoin, every $4 matters for Ethereum right now. Because it's 4 times the price. It's kind of the same grind. That puts that in perspective. And then for Neo, it would be like every 33 cents. But yeah, maybe LTC BTC would be a better trade because it just doesn't seem like there's a lot of risk reward here. Daily bull div. No, it's just out there in Litecoin right now. It looks healthy, but the problem is when you're mid-range and you're still looking bullish, it's not really a buy because you're mid-range. That's the problem. Like, yeah, we're still looking bullish, but it's not a buy because it's mid-range. Okay? Hope that makes sense. Like, let's just look at something else. Like, what's Neo doing? This isn't a terrible buy. It's really not. Because, like, what's your stop? Under... Looks like it's trying to put in some sort of inverse head and shoulders. And also, it broke out of this. And then this looks like a consolidation pattern off. I would buy Neo right now, guys. Honestly, I'd go fucking buy Neo. Looks good. Looks great. You should be able to get at least fucking $2 off this. Because, like, don't pay attention anymore. This was a fucking breakdown on the smaller time frames. Just need to delete it. And then I'll show you what I'm looking at. Like, the next resistance on this is, like, right... Depends if we draw. I'm just going to draw off the real body. Okay? This is active resistance 1, 2, 3, 4 times. That's your next resistance. And then that would establish a fucking weird looking pattern. There's a 15-minute actually give us that. I don't know what the fuck that is. Someone, yeah, I don't know what you call that. That's whatever. Whatever. I think Neo's lagging the market, and I think it's ready to go. I think you can get up to like 250 to 270 off of it. Okay. Cool. Cool. Same thing with the BTC chart. Yeah, looks good. Should be able to get 8 to 10% off of it. Then buys and tries. Yeah, I do the tries for the guys and the curls for the girls. You know? I did buys today. Oh, I did. Haven't done tries this week, but when I did bench, my tries were very sore. Because I haven't been lifting. I used to, and like I haven't been. But now I'm trying to get back in. Like, let's just lift a little bit. Let's get a little strong and shit. Really focusing on my legs, though. It doesn't matter, because I'm going to look like an old bitch no matter what I do. All right. What was on the list? I wish one of you guys had fucking Black Ops, the Black Ops 4 beta right now for Blackout. That is, it's beyond badass. It's so perfect. They nailed it, man. I'm gonna be heartbroken on the 17th when it leaves. All right, we did. Let's do Doge. Dodgy. Yeah. Well. Just you could grab this near the daily 20 EMA for a bounce. Yeah. I think the first time touch. Did it work? Here it did. Here it did not, unless you count that as a first time touch. It did the whole way up here. You could try it. Still hasn't broken the 236 of the entire move, though, at 92. But if you're buying, it doesn't matter. Like, if you look at the 15-minute, from 91 to 98 is like 6%, 7%, and then it'd be happen really quick. So, like, I don't know. You could try it. You don't be trading this on Do or Polo or fucking Bittrex anyway, so you guys probably don't even do that. Daily 20 EMA for a quick bounce. Daily 50 for sure. 50 moving average, that would be where I would buy it for a nice bounce. Otherwise, there's probably better shit to do your thang-a-lang. Let's do Cardno. Ooh, is that a 15-minute flag? I don't know what the fuck that is. Looks like a Head and Shoulders. No, it doesn't, because that's, what the fuck, what would you call that up there? So the only thing we can do... Alright. Is this. Just play market structure. I think it's going to be fine, but it might have one more little spring down before it is. Let's look at something else. Let's look at bat. We had a nice little trade on bat yesterday, and it retraced it. Cool. This would be a buy zone on bat right now for a bounce. Should be pretty simple. Yeah, it's holding the 0.5 up to 24.89 at least at the 236. There's another trade for you. Yeah, this will go up to 24.80 to 24.89 before your stop would be on a 4-hour close below 22.71 to 618. But icon. Oh, Jesus. Fuck yeah, dude. Do you see what I see? A flag, a flag. A motherfucking bull flag or a pennant or a bullish, whatever you want to call it. But it is super bullish. Thank you. That was my, I'm getting ready for Christmas. So, it tried this measured move last time and it failed. Will it do it this time? One of the only projects with a fucking yellow paper. What's there? This accumulation zone. It should try 11K again. Probably have to go down to the 5-minute to find an entry. Probably rather buy the 15-minute breakout. Make sure you have this drawn correctly because I don't. Like, literally draw it perfectly. I would buy that breakout right there. It depends, though. What does the 4-hour volume look like? It's not great. Your target would actually be the 4-hour 200 moving average. We'll call it 10.6, 10.6K. Okay, that'd be your target. Yeah, no, I said if Dragon closed above whatever, have me look at it. Yeah, it looks like a little head and shoulders. It does. Does it have the volume profile to match it? I guess I didn't look at that, and it's above the 236 again. That's the thing. Because on the 4-hour, it doesn't look like a head and shoulders, bro. Like, period. Like, not at all. Yeah, that would be head and shoulders volume descending. It'd also be consolidation volume. I mean, you got to look at the right shoulder. It just stopped under the 236, though. So, like, if this 4-hour closes above the 236, it's continuation. And the 4-hour doesn't look like head and shoulders. And, like, the 618, I would buy 188 and 195 if you guys could, Michael. More 188 than 195. But both. All right, what's next? Yosh. Kind of looks like, what was that other core we were looking at? Was that ETH that looked like this? Dude, I'm getting tired for some stupid reason. I'll sleep when I'm dead. All right, what's the daily look like? Yeah. Based on this daily, I wouldn't take a trade on EOS. Okay? It's right up against the downtrend line. If I were to zoom out, that's the entire downtrend line. See it? Yeah, I wouldn't. And this is like a bearish pennant. I'd chill out on EOS for now. I wouldn't take any trades there. The daily says just don't fucking think about it yet. We can react to 2-3 moves down the line. It's on my radar, but it's not there yet. So you got to know when to stay out, and this is the time to stay out of EOS. Even though on the hourly, it looks like an inverse head and shoulders breakout retest. This shit up here, you could try to get it back up to 84K, and you might be able to. But I don't think it's worth it. Just let the market show you the way. It's like a V-chain. There's too much risk in that. I was thinking about it when I was taking a shower earlier, and I was like, trading is literally like playing in traffic. Like, you're fine if you just don't get hit. And that's a bullish pattern. However you want to draw it. It really doesn't matter how you want to draw this. Go out to the 4 hours, the 200 moving average at the flagpole length away. No, it's almost 4 hour bullish. What about the daily? No. The 236 is though at 234. Not even. It'd be up at this zone to climb out of the hole. From up here, it'd be like right at the downtrend line at 240. I think it wants 235 to 240 though, guys. As long as it's above the 236 of the current move. If this 4 hour closes above the 236 of the current move, could be in business. Not great volume. Because it's consolidating. That's all. It's consolidating. It'll break out with volume, or it won't break out with volume, and that'll tell you everything you need to know. Look, it hasn't closed a 4 hour below 210, right? So if you wanted to take this trade, you could if you wanted to buy it up to like 235 to 240, on a 4 hour close below 210, that'll probably at this point put you out of the pennant as well. You could stop out. Make sense? And the risk reward is there. You lose 6 to 8 sats. You gain 23 to 30 sats, somewhere around there. I'm sorry, 18 to 23 sats. It's almost a 3 to 4 risk reward ratio. That's a trade right there. What's next? So that's pretty clear. It's pretty simple right now. Mainframe. MFT. Oh my God! You don't fucking say. Like, this is legit where Neo could be right now, guys. It might not do that, but it could be right there. Does it not look the same? I hope you saw that. Look at that. And then look at that. Neo is right here. Am I wrong? If you say I'm wrong, I'm fucking leaving this. I'm just kidding. There's Neo. There's Neo in 3 hours. That's all I'm saying. There's Neo. Neo targets $27. Have fun. So here's the thing. Was Mainframe and MFT hit by a pump and dump group? I can't have you guys buy that. Just stay out. There's a difference between playing in traffic in Des Moines, Iowa, and playing in traffic on the 5 in LA. Okay? And I need you playing in traffic in Des Moines, Iowa. Okay? Let's look at Monero. Time out. Time the fuck out real quick. Hold up. I'm gonna talk so much shit to iDraw charts if he didn't take this trade. Oh, he didn't. Oh, this motherfucker. Oh no, God! I said last Wednesday, okay, the 12th, 2 days ago, XMR USDT is in long territory up to 115-ish at, what time was that? 1:12 p.m. on Wednesday? Wednesday, the 14th. Right here. Wait, today's the 14th. It was the 12th. What am I doing? 12. 12th. Wednesday was the 12th. Today's Friday the 14th. Okay. Oh, God, David, come on, bro. Oh. Oh. All right. Sorry, I had to check something. I don't know, Jared. Is metal out of money or not, bro? I'd stay out of Monero because if this fails right here, that's an hourly head and shoulders at Fibonacci resistance. You know what I'm saying? It's right at the 382. And it bounced locally at the 618. 618s go to 382s. I'd stay out. Nothing to do. We'll look at Dragon. Same as yesterday. Could get up to 50 to 52K sats. Nothing yet. Let me know when it closes over 50, 56, 5688 on the daily. Let me know when it closes above 5688 on the daily, please. And then we'll look at it again. Until then, there's nothing to look at. What's OCN doing, though? I did want to check that. Same shit. It's at 70 sats. Oh. Guys, honestly, the other day I was talking about percentage of your portfolio, like, oh, I'd put 50 in BTC, for 51 in BTC, 25 in Litecoin, and then this is a 5%er, this is a 5%er, this is a 3. This could be like a 0.5%er to a 1%er, and just see what the fuck happens, okay? I think there's a lot worse things that you can do with 0.0 or with 0.5 or to 1% of your portfolio, because you will make profit over time. That's 300% up to the next real resistance. 633% for all-time highs. For real all-time highs. And then all-time highs of the charts, almost 1,300%. And then, like, if we were to fib this shit, there's a couple ways that you could do it if we're trying to find the next market cycle. Well, no, I'd probably do a trend base. Keep it gravy. Bottom to top. Like 7,200 sats right up here. 720 sats. That's a 10x. I would buy... Guys, if you put 1% of your portfolio or 0.5% of your portfolio and it 10x's, you now have 5 to 10% of your portfolio. I think it's worth it. It's got a lot of shit behind it, like, for sure. I'm probably going to buy some, to be honest with you. How do you know he was wrong? Of course the CEO is going to say they're not out of money, but what did the CEO say? That's the question. What's NPXS doing? 23. Got 25. It still never put in a lower low. I still want this to pump. It still definitely can. Oh, geez. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Ascending triangle action. Or, oh, shit. Nano ain't fucking around, dude. It's going to at least 43.5K. But the 236 is 46K. And I bet you it gets there. Look at that volume breakout. And if we were going to play the pennant, if we just say this is the flagpole for a measured move, I wish I would have seen that. That was clear as day. There's your 43 to 44K. Right. Oh, it's perfect. Right at this wick. Right here. Yep. It's going to 44K. I fucking guarantee it. I can't say that. I think.
Oh, you should start.
Alright. I don't know what that means. Alright, I think we're good right now. Nano should go to 44K. If you can get it near 38K, I would do it. 44K and then 46. But I think 44. Litecoin's making a move up. Yeah, ETH is Doing another leg up. No head and shoulders, Mike. Sorry, bud. It's been defeated. Yeah. See ya. ETH to 234. ETH to 234. You hear me? All right, guys. That's it. I think we're good. Got any questions? Hit me up in the chat. One love.